Hi, today in front of me MOTOROLA Moto G73 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So we should just hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we can create a new home screen folders and just to add more applications to the folder. If you want to give a name to the folder or just to rename it, just open it, tap to the name and enter the new one. Then just tap the home button and now we can see that we just successfully give a name to our folder. To move folders here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. Also, if you want to remove the application from the folder, we should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, you just should hold it and drag it to remove icon. And don't worry, you will stay with this application and the apps menu. Also, if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder together, so just hold the folder and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.